Have you ever felt like you would not know if you would reach your success? For today's video, I am gonna talk about how failure, your own failure, can help you reach your success. Hi everyone, welcome back to Quietly Crafted, and it's been a while. So for today's video, we're just gonna work on this project here. This is for a market bag that I was working on, and this looked a lot different than another video that you may have seen. I'll put the picture right now on what it looked like before. So from that video, I mentioned like how it was a struggle because you kept on unraveling, and I do remember that this particular yarn, this was featured in my frogging video. You know, like how you would make a mistake and it was not worth it to try any method of fixing it. And the only way to fix it was basically to unravel all your work, which is very frustrating. So of course, for this project, it was a lot of unraveling and then stitching, unraveling and stitch some more, and rinse and repeat. However, you know what? That's also in life as well. Because you would come across a lot of failures until you would find that success that you're looking for. Just recently, I landed a brand new job in something that I used to do before, which is great, and I felt a big sigh of relief, because for the past 9 months I've been working in a contract job, and well, it was decent, but at the same time I was getting worried because, well, it was a contract job, and you know, I don't know if I'm gonna be kept, I'll stay on the job, or they would let me go. And that's something that a lot of people may worry about, which is being let go from something that you love. I was listening to a Walk With Me podcast, and it featured an NBA player by the name of Draymond Green. If you know who I'm talking about, he is on the Golden State Warriors. Now, I'm not a die-hard basketball fan, but there's something that he said in that Walk With Me which resonated with me very much, because he was telling me about how he wanted to just play basketball and not care about school. However, his grades were falling, and in the following summer, after school just ended for the summer, he had to go through summer school. As much as he did not want to go to summer school, but he needed to go there so that he can get his grades up. There's that one quote that I still remember, which was, if you want to experience success, you would have to experience failure first. If you want to experience success, you want to experience failure first. Because how can you feel that whatever you're doing seems right? You know, how would you know if you are successful, or whatever you're doing is a failure. That's what happened to me with this project. I tried to get all the edges correct, as you can see. Some looked like it was gonna fold in, or it was doing a weird loop, but I had to restart and restart and restart to get it right. And also of course that I may have had that old job from before, and all of a sudden that I got laid off. So I will take that as a failure because there were some factors that they saw that it seems like they did not align with what I'm doing. So they decided to let me know that my services were no longer needed. So I was laid off. But you know what? I take that as a lesson, because of course I know that it was the only job I knew, but at the same time it was kind of like a preview of what is to come. I do believe that success comes from hard work and grit, and also sometimes with a bit of luck. I also mentioned in the previous video that there are 3 words that I would go by if there is something that I want in life: hope, patience, and endurance. I hope you enjoyed this stitch with me or crochet with me. And if this helped you in any way, click the like and subscribe button for more crochet-alongs. Until next time, keep crafting quietly.